Hey guys, this is Aaron with Vacant Land, guys. Just wanted to do another quick video here for you. Got a new property here in the Ozarks. Go ahead and take a look. So here's fall in the Ozarks. Got just beautiful foliage, leaves changing colors, just gorgeous. Um, this one is in a great location. It's 0.3 acres in the Ozarks. It's right by the clubhouse. We're asking 75 down and 75 a month for 96 months. Um, you can click right here. Just take you to the checkout. You can enter in there your title, your tax address, where you want the taxes to go, how we best contact you, some optional things, title, and then check out with a credit card or debit card or however you want to do it. You could wire us money or work something out. Um, yeah, let's take a look at it here in Parcel Fact. It's a tool I use. So here's the lot, and just zoom in a little bit. Oops. So here's a lot right here. You got a neighbor right here. There's a power pole right there. Can't really see it in this video, but there's a power pole right there. So you got power running right there. Pretty confident there's water that runs along this street. Probably want to double check on that, but pretty sure there's water there because they have showers here you can use. Sauna, swimming pool. We got a playground, got a swing set right there. There's actually mini golf there too, and it's $20 a year. $20 one-time fee of $21. You only got to pay it once if you're a resident there, and then you can come over here and play. They got a weight room, they got sauna, showers, mini golf, little picnic area, swing sets, pool. I think it's seasonal pool because it gets cold up here. But yeah, in the summertime it's going to be open. And these are also the city offices, so it's kind of a multiple use building. But this is the city of Briarcliff. Yeah, here's a lot. It's slightly rolling, but you can build on it. I mean, people are building on it there. This is a cul-de-sac that was put in, I think, back in the 70s, and they cut this whole subdivision all up into quarter-acre lots, more or less. This one's 0.3, but we'll zoom out, kind of show you some more stuff. Let's go over here to let's go to Google Earth. Alright, so here's a lot right here, clubhouse. Zoom out a little bit. So this is another great thing about this little city. Here's the outline of the city. They got a lake you can use right here, and it's about, I think it's about half a mile away. And there's a little trail that runs around it. You got a little dock you can go out on, and they keep it stocked full of fish, so you can go fishing there. It's a pretty cool little area. It's down in a little valley there. Yeah, you can kind of see the trail running around. Dock and go out, have a picnic, do some fishing, hang out with the family, the grandkids, whatever. Entertain your family here. People can just hang out, picnic all day. You can kind of see the swing sets, power. There you can see the power pole there. Try to give you a little better idea of the terrain. So yeah, it's on a slight hill, slightly rolling hill, but I mean people are building on it, so you can build on there. This is a lot right here. Kind of comes around like this. 0.3 acres. Zoom out a little bit. You got Norfolk Lake. So this is facing north. So this is Norfolk Lake right here. This huge lake. You come and do your fishing, water sports, all that fun stuff. There's also the Norfolk River. You can do some trout fishing. Here's Salesville. Yeah, you can come down here and do some trout fishing. Right along this river here, they have there's a fish hatchery, trout hatchery right here. Trout hatchery right here. River running along here. I believe this is Dry Creek. Feeds right into here. And they release the trout. Got a little boat launch right there. I think this is like a Gene's Trout Fishing Resort. I mean, people come from all over the country to come go fishing here. I mean, this is like one of the best spots in the country to go. A couple of the biggest, largest lakes in the country here. Really deep lakes, full of fish, trout, bass, bluegill, you know, whatever you're fishing for, they just about got. Yeah, here's another little area I noticed. They got looks like I can come down here down this road here. Looks like I can hang out on this little spot here, do some fishing from the shore if you want. Maybe launch kayaks, canoes. It's pretty close. Let's get back out of here. See if we can get a better view from Google Maps. Give you some ideas, some distances. So it's about a 2-minute drive to that little lake. 4 minutes to get to the bigger lake right here. There's also a marina down here. You know, 10 minutes drive. Well, this is a pretty cool area here. This little quarry use area. It's like a little day use park. They got a beach here you can go hang out on. It's all roped off so you don't go out swimming too far or keep the boats out of there anyway. Got 2 boat launches here. Park. Looks like playground there. These are probably like picnic areas here and here. Those look like facilities when I was looking at them earlier. Lots of parking. Here's the dam. Dam's up the lake. Power generator there. And yeah, that's kind of it, man. Just a pretty cool little area. I mean, right across the street from the clubhouse. You can be there in a minute. Just walk there. Use the facilities while you're building your house and take a shower, whatnot. You can park your RV. I don't think you can't park your RV in here, but there's I think there's an RV park right down here. Park your RV here. Here. Yeah, this is like a little RV park. Park your RV down here. The damn quarry campground. And build your cabin right here. It's a few miles away. Yeah, just an idea. Yeah, 7.2 miles, 18-minute drive. Well, that's kind of a roundabout way to go. Put that there. 9-minute drive. So yeah, got all that. Oh, and got Mountain Home right here. You got Walmart. There's a Home Depot right over here too. And I think that's, let's see, that's 12 minutes away. 8 minutes, 11 minutes to get to downtown Mountain Home. Got everything you need here. Get your supplies and whatnot. Another little marina up here. Yeah, I mean, it's a great place to come hang out. Anyway, this is Aaron with Vacant Land Guys, and come check us out at vacantlandguys.com if you're interested in this property.